Hi, I'm Bruce Kowalchuk with Century 21 Backman Associates, and we're amongst some of the finest snowbanks in Winnipeg here in River Heights. And this is 825 Renfrew Street. We have 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a great rec room and den downstairs. And the backyard is facing west with a double detached garage. This is a good one. Come and take a look. Thanks for taking a look at our tour at 825 Renfrew Street. If you have any questions or to book your private showing, please contact me or your favorite realtor.